Assembly instructions for the Monterey Convertible Studio Easel. Step 1. Slide the H-frame top and bottom support B and C onto the mast adjustment bar E. Step 2. Insert each of B and C into the corresponding slots of the H-frame side assembly A. And secure using 4 small bolt barrel butts N. Tighten with the included Allen wrench and use a flathead screwdriver to keep the barrel nut straight if needed. Step 3. Attach the front and back cross braces G and H into the base foot bars F as shown and secure with 4 large bolt barrel nuts P. Flip the unit over and attach the casters S using the caster screws R and a Phillips screwdriver. Step 4. Attach the front legs of the H-frame side assemblies A into the top slots of the base foot bars F and secure using the medium bolt barrel nuts O. Step 5. Extend out H-frame side support bars D as shown to the inside of the rear base foot bars F and secure using the 2 small bolt barrel nuts N. Step 6. Attach the slanted end of the angled support bar J to the back lower end of the mast adjustment bar E using 3 wood screws Q and Phillips screwdriver. Attach the other end to the base back cross brace H using the rest of the wood screws. Step 7. Set the H-frame assembly to horizontal position. Place a brass plate W in the holes of the mast adjustment bar E. Slide the mast support shelf assembly into the grooves of the H-frame A. Starting from the bottom edge, while also sliding the mast support shelf assembly through the H-frame top support bar B. And continue sliding until the shelf's adjustment keys lock into place on the mast adjustment bar E. Step 8. Slide out the front of the mast support shelf assembly to make sure the brass plate is in position. If not, then place the brass plate into the holes of the back of the mast support shelf. Slide the front of the mast support shelf assembly back down after inserting the brass plate. Step 9. Stand the easel up and add the stopping bolt U to the hole as shown. Attach an adjustment knob X to the top back of the mast assembly K and to the top back of the mast adjustment bar E and tighten in place. Step 10. Place a brass plate in the groove as the back of the top canvas holder M. Slide into place on the top of the mast assembly K and tighten the front knob. Step 11. Place a leveling bolt Y with the wing nut and washer through the holes in each corner of the base foot bars F. Then place a leveling bolt cap Z on the end of each bolt. Adjust and tighten wing nuts to accommodate uneven floors.